Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of the Sunday's weather conditions. It's been a fairly cloudy start to the day for parts of eastern South Africa. Along with that, there has been some light rain or drizzle overnight over KwaZulu-Natal in particular. But as I put this picture into motion, we'll see that there is a clearance taking place as the day goes on. Further northwards, over the low-veld areas and the escarpment of Limpopo in particular, we're going to see things remaining quite cloudy today, and we could even see that light rain returning by tonight. Sunny conditions for the central interior for this afternoon, while further westwards it's going to be partly cloudy, and along with that we are expecting it to be quite a bit warmer today than it was yesterday across this region. Temperatures recovering quickly over the western parts. Now for the remainder of today, there is still a possibility for some light rain over KwaZulu-Natal, but as we've seen, this area will see clearance. We're not expecting much in the way of rain by mid-afternoon. A few showers still lingering along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and light rain or drizzle still possible along the escarpment, in particular the Limpopo areas around Tanin and Thohoyandou. The rest of South Africa will remain dry for this Sunday. Our temperature map for today indicates how the pattern has changed since yesterday. It was quite a bit cooler over the southern and far western parts of the country, but here we see that temperatures are rising quite a bit this afternoon. The cooler areas now moved eastwards into parts of KwaZulu-Natal and in Mpumalanga. There we see the shades of green indicating where some places will remain below 20 degrees this afternoon. Still warm in Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, both reaching 26 degrees and 21 as a maximum for Port Elizabeth along the south coast. Let's take a look at the western coastline now, and we're expecting light winds across the area for today. And although there's a bit of a berg wind in the region, we're going to see winds gradually becoming more westerly in places. This may even bring some fog in by tonight. A swell height of around 3 meters is expected for the southwest coast of the country for today, and the swells are going to be gradually decreasing as the day goes on, reaching about 2.5 meters by later tonight. A moderate west-easterly wind expected around Cape Agulhas. Easterly to northeasterly winds in the forecast for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth at 25 kilometers per hour. Lighter winds expected for Mossel Bay and Plett. And for the east coast of the country, we're expecting winds to become fresh for East London this afternoon, and wind speeds will be increasing for Durban into this evening, also becoming moderate to fresh at times. Swell heights averaging at about 2 meters with an 11-second period for Durban. That's all we have from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.